Balagay of DCMGonline.net. You have our word, our commitment to help to disseminate this very vital information from the two publications, also tayo nagkakagat. But my question is, how to face the challenges and modalities, especially those regional offices? Kasi po, nabanggit kanina, bakit kahit isa wala tayo sa BARM and sa Region E? Paano po kaya yung challenges and approach na magkaroon tayo ng contracted hospital sa BARM? Especially sa BARM, may mga provinces na top 4 pa rin tayo, then sa Region E. Thank you.
Thank you for that, ma'am. Just a little more time, ma'am. We are addressing all of the issues. We are aware of that po, no? Napakalaki ng PhilHealth, diba? It covers the whole country, 17 regions. Our database is 110 million. So, pero po, give us a little more time. We are really addressing and trying to resolve all these issues, no? And we are really working 24/7 to move PhilHealth forward. That, we're noted on that, and we are aware of that, no? We will resolve that po.
Actually, sir, babalikan po natin yung mga friends natin from the media as to developments po kung nadadagdagan po, no, yung ating contracted facilities po. Babalik tayo sa kanila, sir, to update them kung may mga dagdag na po. So, salamat po sa inyong concern. And